Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the Deepseek AI engine onto the Visual Studio Code application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up VS Code on your device, and then from the homepage, click on the Extensions tab at the left menu. From here, you can search for various different extensions. Type in Continue to look for the Continue extension. Once you find it, you can click on it and then click on Install. In order to install this extension, click on Trust Publisher and install, and then wait for a few seconds. Once the installation is done, you can find the Continue extension at the left side. Go ahead and click on it, and now we can choose our desired model. Click on the drop-down menu, and then click on Add Chat Model. We can also click on the Click Here option underneath the API key sections. Now here underneath Provider, click on the drop-down menu, and then choose Deepseek. Now we can also choose the various different models, which for VS Code is the Deepseek Coder. Once you have chosen Deepseek Coder, click on the Click Here option underneath the API key box to create your API key. Click on Open, and now just log into your Deepseek AI account. After you have logged in or signed up, you can go into the API keys section and then create your new API key. I'm going to name this VS Code. After clicking on the Create button once again, we will now have access to our API key. Copy the key once it is done, and then go back into the VS Code application to enter this key within the API key box. Finally, click on Connect, and now your Deepseek AI account has been integrated onto VS Code right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to integrate Deepseek AI onto Visual Studio Code. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.